Welcome to this video tutorial. The goal of this video is to show you how to set up your signature in GoodX Web. In GoodX Web, the medical practitioner can upload or digitally sign and save their signature. They can set it up and enter a security PIN for when they want to add it to a form, or they can manually and electronically sign it each time. In this video, we will show you how to set up your signature and add a security PIN. Before we start, ensure that you, as the practitioner, are logged in with your user, as the setup is specific per user. To set up your signature, start by clicking on the Settings button on the top right corner. In the Settings window, click on the User Settings tab. User settings are set per user to customize the software to the specific needs of that user. In this tab, click on the General Settings panel to expand it. Start by adding a PIN, which will serve as a security PIN whenever you want to add your electronic signature to a document. Click on the Add PIN button in the Authorization Factors section to create your PIN. An attention window will pop up when you have to enter your new PIN and repeat it. Take note that your PIN must have a length of at least 4 characters. Click on the OK button. Another attention window will pop up when you need to add your current password that you use to log into your GoodX Web. Click on the OK button once you're done. After you've added your PIN, you will see that you will still be able to edit it later by clicking the Edit button. Next, you can add your signature by clicking on the Change Signature button. A window will pop up when you can add your signature electronically and manually. If you do not want to add your signature manually, you can always upload it. If you want to upload your signature, click on the Cancel button. You will then see the Upload from File button. Click on it. From there, you will have to choose a file from your computer with your signature on it. After you've uploaded it, click on the Save button. An attention window will pop up when you need to add your current password that you use to log into GoodX Web. Click on the OK button once you're done. Now, click on the Save button to finalize your new PIN and signature.